fucking god, bro. I almost just yacked. I literally want to die. Bro, I can't fucking breathe. I just want to show you like what I'm dealing with like every 5 minutes. I can't laugh. It's like just wheezing. It actually throat. I'm having a stroke. It actually hurts my throat and my chest so bad when I cough. That's what I'm dealing with. And I sound like a man. And my pinky came off. And that sounded like it cleared, right? It never goes away. No matter how hard I cough, it won't go away. I need somebody to take me out of my misery. I mean, at least right now. Normally I would make this with milk, but I don't have milk. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna drink this. I'm not giving. I'm not even kidding. I need somebody to kill me. Like now. Immediately. It is 1:25. I'm freezing cold. And I just spent the last 25 minutes throwing up on and off. Somebody please kill me. It never goes away. I'm so exhausted. Guys, why the freak am I not supposed to do that when I cough? I also kind of realized it's probably not smart to be dying coughing underneath a blanket because I'm just creating like a freaking cesspool. Okay, friends. I chucked a bunch of water and I'm either gonna throw it up or I'm gonna go back to sleep. It's 50-50. So pray for me or kill me. Still there. Oh my god. Well, I was trying to give you guys an update, but I think that might be all the update that you need. Okay, anyway, I haven't gone to the doctor's yet because I'm a slacker and I like to procrastinate. And the idea of just going to sit in a doctor's office right now does not seem very pleasant. So I'm just gonna keep coughing and hopefully this will just like go away on its own or it'll just take me out. Either's fine at this point. Okay, bye.
have secured the goods, my friend. Okay, so like I said, we got the antibiotic, got the steroids, and the inhaler. Take 2 tablets. Ugh, yuck.
Guys, I'm on day 3 of medicine and this shit is not better. God. Oh my god, guys, I think that was one of the worst ones yet. Holy shit. Oh my god.